morning children. Welcome to our class. Today we will learn the usage of adverbs. Okay? Before start the grammar in the textbook, we were aware about the adverbs. Already we have learned in the previous classes adjectives or describing word which describe noun and pronoun. Today we learn about adverbs. Adverbs tells us about verb, adjective or another adverb. It tells us how a thing is done, when it is done or where it is done. In short, we can say that an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb or another adverb. So, we see that adverbs tell us how, when or where the action takes place. It has more meaning to these words. It adds more meaning to the sentence or adds more information about the sentence. For example, Rita danced gracefully. It was found inside. The sun shines everywhere. In these sentences, we can see that words gracefully, inside, everywhere. Tell us about the verbs. Here verbs are danced, found, shines. Here in the first sentence, Rita danced gracefully. So the word gracefully described danced. The verb, so it is an adverb. Okay? See children, in this sentence, verb is danced. Adverb. What is adverb here? Gracefully. How the action is going on, that tells us ours. That word is called adverb. Okay? Here adverb is gracefully. Rita danced. But how she danced? That is adverb. Gracefully. Gracefully is the adverb. Understood? Here see children, in the second sentence, it was found inside. It was found inside. Where did it find? Inside. Okay? So, an inside is the adverb. Here, where. This adverb tells us where. It was found inside. Understood children? Here, the adverb is inside. Okay? See children, in the third sentence, the sun shines everywhere. In this sentence, everywhere shows the adverb. Okay? Here, everywhere tells that where does the sun shine. The sun shines everywhere. So, the word everywhere describes the verb shines. So, it is an adverb. Okay? Here, the adverb shows that where does the sun shine? Everywhere. Okay? See children, adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay? Here see, adverb we can use how. In the place of how, quickly, easily, slowly, happily and silently. Okay? Under the how often, we use adverbs once, always, never, hardly, twice, usually, occasionally and ever. Okay? Next one. Under the where conditions, we use the adverbs here, everywhere, nowhere, near and there. Under the when, we use adverbs after, middle, late, now, before, early, soon, today. Okay? In these places, we use adverbs. In these conditions, we use the adverbs. Understood, children? So, children, today we will learn the adverbs in our textbook exercises. So, all of you open page 114. Here, see, match the words in A with the correct words in B. Here, see, children, we have matching here. Choose the correct adverb for these followings. Okay? Here, see, first one. The baby is sleeping. We must talk softly. Children, softly means here slowly or gently. Because why? The baby is sleeping. That's why we must talk softly. Okay? And the next one is, the floor is wet. How can we walk at that time? We can walk very carefully because the floor is wet. Okay? Otherwise, what happens, children? We fall down on the floor. Okay? And the next one, she sings very. What is the matching word here? Sweetly. She sings very sweetly. Here, adverb is suitable for this sweetly. Next one, Aditi writes very neatly. Does she write neatly? Yes. How is she writing? Aditi writes very neatly. Yes. And the next one is, the man shouted. The man shouted calmly, slowly. No, what is the right one? Angrily. The man shouted angrily. And the last one is, the plane landed. The plane landed safely. That is the suitable adverb for this sentence. Okay? How is the action going on? That action was described by the adverb, children. Keep it in the mind. Moving on to next one. See, children, here some words are given for our help. Choose the correct word for these blanks. Children, these are all verbs. That means action words. So, you make these words adverbs. That means add ly letters. Understood? Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the words in the box. First one. My brother plays music. What is the proper word? Loud. So, pick out the loud word and write here. At the same time, add ly letters loudly. Okay? Second one, she ran slowly. Why? Because she had hurt her leg. That's why she ran slowly. Okay? Here slow only given. Children, observe. Here I add the ly letters also. So that verb make a adverb. Next one, if I finish my homework quickly, I can go out and play. Quick. Add ly. Quickly. If I finish my homework quickly, then what happened? We are free. I can go out and play so much time. Next one. He gently cleaned the kitten's wound. Gently means just we learned smoothly or softly. Okay? Here gentle given. We change last letter, changed, children. Add ly only for this word. Whereas E letter, those words remove the E letter and add ly only. Understood? And fifth one, sixth one and seventh one. Try on your own, children. Pick out the right answer and write the here. Okay? Add ly also for these verb forms. Moving on to next page, children. Underline the words that answer the question when. See here, children, in these sentences, we need to identify the when. So here, adverbs tells us when the action is going on. Okay? Adverbs of time tell us when action takes place. They answer the question when. First one, I will come back soon. In this sentence, children, soon means here it will take few days. Okay? So, soon is adverb. I will come back soon. Come verb. At what time? Soon. That's why soon is adverb. Understood? In the second sentence, we are going to Darjeeling tomorrow. When we are going to Darjeeling? Tomorrow. So, here the time tells us tomorrow. That is, tomorrow is adverb. Here see, in the third sentence, yesterday I went to visit Mohit. Yesterday I went to visit Mohit. When we visit Mohit house? Yesterday. So that's why here yesterday is adverb. In the next one, you must exercise daily. You must exercise daily. Here tell me children, what is the adverb of in this sentence? Daily. So when we exercise daily. Okay. Next one. It looks like it will rain tonight. So it looks like it rain will tonight. Tonight we will expect the rain. Look like the sky is dark grey color. That's why looks like it will rain tonight. When? Tonight. So tonight is adverb. And the last one, I finished my homework. Then I went to play. Children, observe here, in this sentence, then is adverb. Why? Because I will complete my homework. After then what I will do? That's why here, when. Completion of my homework. Then I went to play. So that then is adverb here. Okay. See children, here some answers are given for our help. Choose the correct one and fill in the blanks. Okay. See first one, I slept late last night. Here verb is slept late. Late is adverb. Okay. And the next, it was my birthday yesterday. So we are talking about the yesterday night. That's why yesterday we select here. Okay. And the next one, the show will begin in an hour. We must leave now or we will be late. Here children, now is adverb. Okay. The time is telling about this sentence. Okay. Moving on to next page children. Here we have some blanks. Fill with a suitable word from the back page hint box. Okay. Moving on to next one. See here. Complete these sentences with the correct phrasal verbs. Correct phrasal verbs. Children, first we have learned that phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? See children, here phrasal verb. To give up. Give up, two words, means to stop doing something. It is a phrasal verb children because two words together here. We know the meaning of give and up separately, but when they come together their meaning is slightly different. Two different words, two different meaning have, but when they come together their meaning is slightly different. Those are called phrasal verbs. Okay, here some words are given. Phrasal verbs. Dry up. The meaning of the dry up, to no longer have water. Cheer up. To stop feeling sad. Be happy. Okay. Grow up. To change from being a baby to being a child or an adult. Next one. Heat up meaning to make something hot. Clean up. That meaning to make a place tidy. Tidy means clean. Hurry up. To do something quickly. Okay. These are all phrasal verbs children. Here observe two words together. Two different words. Okay. Here see. Choose these sentences with the correct phrasal verbs from this above box. Understood? Which one is suitable? Those words write in the blanks. See first one. Tell Pawan to hurry up or else he will miss his bus. Tell Pawan to hurry up. Here we use hurry up because what is the meaning of hurry up? To do something quickly. Otherwise what happened, children? Else he will miss his bus. Okay? See children, second one. The child stopped crying and cheered up when her father gave her some ice cream. What the child is doing? Gave the ice cream. Stop the crying. So what is the meaning of cheer up, children? To stop feeling sad. Okay? And next one is heat up the food that is in the fridge and put it on the table. What we are doing by using fridge food? Heat up the food before eat. Okay? And next one is the rivers had dried up because the village had not received rain for many years. You know the rivers, children? Rivers had dried up. Why? What is the reason? Because had not received rain for many years. That's why the rivers had dried up. Once have a look. What is the meaning of dried up? Here. First one. To no longer have water. So that became the rivers was dried up. Next one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Try on your own, children. Choose the correct option for these and write the answer in the blank. Okay? That's all for today's work, children. Read and write grammar work in lesson number 9, A Tiny Seed. Okay? Thank you.